We will begin with flipping the go-kart upside down to do the underside assembly. Loosen the rear screws that lock the axle in place. Remove the bolts from the rear axle. Slide the rear axle through the rear motors and through the other side of the go-kart body. Take the larger of the two sets of wheels and slide the rear axle through the tire, allowing the motor head to lock into place. Add a washer and nut and complete the same step on the opposite side. Since the rear axle is free spinning, tighten both sides at the same time. Attach the wheel hub covers. Retighten the screws that we loosened in step 1 to lock the rear axle in place. Attach the front axle. Please pay careful attention of the orientation in the video to ensure proper installation. Securely fasten the front axle to the go-kart body using the longer screws provided. Complete this step on both sides. Place the optional wheel hub inside the front wheel and slide onto the front axle. Securely fasten with a washer and nut. Complete this step on both sides. Attach the wheel hub covers. Flip the car over. Insert the steering axle through the go-kart body. Slide the steering axle holder through the steering axle. Slide the steering axle holder through the steering axle. Make sure the steering axle is properly fed through and connected to the front axle. Connect the steering axle holder to the frame using a bolt and nut. Connect the steering wheel to the front axle by threading a bolt through the steering wheel and front axle. Secure into place using a nut. Remove the screws on the back housing and remove to expose electrical components. Connect the two red wires and test the power button. Insert the bottom of head cover to the car base, attach the top of head cover with steering wheel column, fix them with two 4x16 flat head screws. Attach the seat with seat slot on car body, fix them with 4x16 flat head screws.